What's up, everybody, and welcome back to SM Software. Whether you are web dev, app dev, data dev, Linux is everywhere. In this video, you are going to cover some essential tools for Linux. My name is Shaban Muswamba, and let's get started. All right, guys. So Linux, it got a couple of commands, but is some of the important one, which, for example, we use every day to deploy your app, to access, install some stuff. So it's very, very important for you as a developer to know any of this. Of course, with the AI, you can also go very quick, or you can learn fast. For example, this is a chat GPT. I can ask, check, um, let's learn um, Linux commands. So this is actually very easy and very fast. First of all, another thing is I can go to my window, try to just open this actual window. So is going to be very simple. So I can try to search for Git batch. I have it installed, but if you don't have Git batch, you can actually go to browser, search for Git batch. Is here. So it's very easy to install. You can just go ahead and download this one. So we got the version for Windows and also Windows, Mac, and also Linux. I'm not going to talk about this because we just want to cover some essential stuff can help us to work. So, for example, if I open Git batch, you can search for Git batch. After install this, you will see it. You see the Git batch here. You can install open Git batch. So this will open the Git batch here. Let's follow some comments here. For example, to find the current direction, the current directory, pwd. You can do pwd. This will tell me where I am exactly. So say that C users and home. So if you go to all right, so we got also essential commands which we use daily for our task. Let's say example, I can do pwd to see present working directory. We can also see what is in there. We can say, okay, you want to go to, let's say, downloads. We can do cd that's the change directory to downloads like this. And if I do ls, you'll see everything from the downloads in there. I got a lot there, that's why it's taking time. If you go see my downloads, see I got a lot of videos, a lot of stuff in here, so that's taking time to show you everything. So you can also decide to delete everything from the downloads, or you can go back, can do cd this dot. This is just to go back, so if you do again ls, you'll see you can also navigate to you can navigate to any folder. So this is actually this very easy for you to do. You can also create a directory. For example, where I am, I can be, let's say, pwd. If I don't know where I am here, sorry, I can do ls. You see what is in here, but I can also create another directory, make dir, let's say make dir Shabani folder like this. So this, the folder is there. If I do ls, we will look for that folder. We'll see that folder is somewhere here, or navigate. The folder is here. You can also navigate to Shabani folder. And if I do ls, is actually nothing here. You can create a file. So these are comments. These are very essential tools. we can use to, for example, create file. This one here. So you see, you can do, if you want to create file, you can do touch index dot txt or index.html, any file. So if I do ls, now the file is there. You can write to that file, you can cut the file, you can do much of it. So these are essential tools which we use every day. It's actually nothing complicated here. Some of us don't even memorize all of them because you are also busy working on other stuff. But once you came to deploy your app or do whatever you want to do, you always there to remember most of the stuff. And another thing is AI is there, can help you to speed up. So Linux is not something that you don't know, but you must know at least the basics one, the essential tools, essential commands. You can also manage the package. Example here, you can manage the package sudo update, sudo get, sudo upgrade. So these are essential tools, just like we use npm or pipe or whatever we usually do, or php, whatever. So Linux is very, very important. That's the basics. You can use AI to actually learn much with the Linux. Can clear here, can just do clear, and just will clear my terminal. We got a lot. So anytime if you don't know about any command of Linux, you can just go to AI and type ask AI. AI can actually help you and uh, know about that command. You don't need to go and write it down like the way we used to do before. Nowadays, you don't do that. You just go ahead and ask AI. Yeah? So you can also install Linux as a second operating system in your computer if you have a Windows or Mac. You see, this can still work. This is actually window, but another easy way, you can go ahead and use the kit patch. Go ahead and use another stuff you can do with the AI to learn Linux. You can also do file, let's say file and directory. So this can actually give you some tools to manage file and the directories and stuff like this. So you can navigate to file to a folder, cd folder, uh, clear folder, delete a folder, make another directory. So all of these are available. So you don't need actually to go spend hours learning the Linux or learning the tools, because these are actually available for you. Another thing is maybe let's say file content. So a file, you can also sorry, content without s, a file, so you can manage the content from a file. You can see for example, if I can see here, I can do ls to see what I have in here. I can do cut html index.html. So this will show me the content is here, the content on this file. If there's content, if there's no, you can create content, you can do much more. So you don't need to worry about all of this. You can also search the content on a file. So you can also manage the system, say system and process essentially. So you can say system system and process. So this can also give you essential. So this can also give you most of the tools or commands you can use to manage the system, to give the permission, whatever you want to do with the system. This actually is very easy nowadays to learn about Linux. I don't know what else you think can talk about here. Actually, this is the essential tools. This is very, very essential. If you want to create a project, mostly, or I don't know, Laravel or Flutter, if you type here, create a new Flutter Flutter project, you see that it will always come with the command. You always have to go and run command. You see, so it's very, very important for you. You always have to go and run command. Create a new Flutter, create a new Laravel project. So this, you always have to go and run command. So this is very, very important for you to know, even to deploy, if you want to deploy your app to a cloud server or to any server. So you find that you need to at least do some Linux command. All right, so this was it about essential tools or a way you can learn Linux. So it's very simple nowadays to learn Linux. And you don't even have to spend that time to just learn everything about the Linux commands. Or you can use them or learn them when you want to use them. It's very simple, and that will be very in a manner way. My name is Shaban Musamba. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and like our video. See you in the next video.